Mowgli. You look different.
Why are you here?
It's Shere Khan. He's taken over. We've had to leave home. Those of us who still stand by Akela anyway.
And the others?
They come in groups, in the night. Threaten us. Our own people.
It's not my problem anymore.
Mowgli.
It's not my problem.
We've been pushed to the very edge of the jungle. And Khan won't stop killing man's cattle. Brother! We're afraid of what man might do to us. The pack needs you, Mowgli.
They didn't need me when